Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, your DIY guy. So today the video is all about activating the Varta Powersports AGM battery. So as you can see, this is the imported battery. This is the Varta battery. This is the model TTZ10S. This will fit most of 1000cc superbike battery standards. Okay, and as you can see, this is 8Ah 12 volt battery. So let me just quickly do the unboxing and the activation. So I have already put my gloves on because the Varta battery company has provided a separate acid pack with the battery. So this is the user manual. We'll not be needing this since we know the installation and activation. Let me just remove the acid pack first. Keep it aside. This is the battery. Okay, so as you can see, this is the battery. It says Varta Powersports AGM battery, especially for super bikes. There's caution over there, and there is a battery position. Okay, so yes, let's quickly begin with the activation. So first let me take off this cover. Okay, next what I'll be doing is I'll be removing this acid pack over here, this and the seal container. Okay, let me quickly tear this open. It's always better to have your gloves and eye protective wear when you do such sorts of works, because this can be hazardous. Okay, let me slowly pull the cap out one by one. Yes, once you remove the cap, okay, you can see it's sealed over there with a foil kind of stuff. All you have to do is just turn upside down and just squeeze in and press it there. So this will take around 5 to 10 minutes. Let's give it a little shake. Okay, the entire acid has gone into the battery. So now let's carefully take this off. Make sure you dispose this very carefully because this is sulfuric acid. Okay, let the acid settle in there for about 10 minutes and then we can close the lid. Okay, the acid has completely gone inside, so we have waited enough time. So now let's put on the lid here. Do not hammer the lid, all you got to do is press it. Okay, that's done. Now that we have closed the lid, we need to charge the battery using a smart charger. So I have got myself a smart charger here from Amazon. So I'll be pasting the link on the description where you can check out the charger. So let me first connect the chargers here. Positive side and this is the negative side. So as I connect, it will show the temperature and the voltage reading. It says 12.8. Okay, and now let me switch on the charger. So it says DES, which is the desulfation mode. This is a 7-step smart charger. So this is the initial step called desulfation. Then you have other stages like soft charging, bulk charging, absorption charging, battery test, reconditioning, and float and maintenance charging. So once these 7 steps complete, it will show the exact voltage of the battery and the charge percentage, and it will also show whether the battery is full or yet to be charged. So this is how we activate the Varta AGM Powersports battery, guys. So after 2 hours you can see the indication as full. So now the battery is at its full potential. Thanks for watching, guys. For more updates and videos, please do subscribe our channel, please do like our videos and post your comments, and until we meet again, bye bye.